In this video, I'll show you how to make a black and white video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Once your video is loaded, tap the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now scroll through the bottom menu and look for Filters. Tap it to open CapCut's filter library. Inside the filter section, browse through the available categories. Look for a black and white filter, which may appear under categories like Mono, B, and W, Movies, Retro, or Style, depending on your CapCut version. Tap a black and white filter to preview it on your video. If you like the look, apply it to the clip. You can usually adjust the filter intensity using the slider. If the effect feels too strong, lower the intensity. If you want a more dramatic black and white look, increase it. Another way to make your video black and white is by using the adjustment tools. Tap the clip again, then choose Adjust from the bottom menu. Find saturation and reduce it all the way down to -100. This removes the color from the video and gives you a clean black and white effect. After lowering saturation, you can improve the look by adjusting the contrast. Increase contrast slightly to make the dark areas deeper and the bright areas stand out more. This helps the black and white effect look less flat. Next, adjust brightness if needed. If your video looks too dark, raise the brightness a little. If it looks washed out, lower the brightness slightly. If you only want part of the video to be black and white, split the clip first. Move the playhead to where the black and white section should begin, tap the clip, and choose Split. Then move the playhead to where the effect should end and tap Split again. Now select only that middle section and apply the black and white filter, or lower the saturation for that part. Before exporting, play the full video and check the final look. Make sure faces, objects, and important details are still clear without color. Once everything looks good, tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.